Fundamental analysis, a powerful method used to evaluate the true value of financial assets. Whether you're interested in stocks, bonds, currencies, or commodities, understanding fundamental analysis is crucial for making informed investment decisions. At its core, it involves scrutinizing various factors that can influence an asset's value over the long term. The ultimate goal is to determine if an asset is overvalued or undervalued, guiding decisions to buy, hold, or sell. Let's explore some of the key components of fundamental analysis. Economic indicators, like GDP growth, unemployment rates, inflation, and consumer spending, offer insights into an economy's health and its potential impact on financial assets. Industry and sector analysis delve into trends, competition, technology advancements, and regulatory changes, which can significantly sway a company's prospects. Macro environment factors, such as political stability, interest rates, and government policies, can wield considerable influence over financial markets and assets. But how does fundamental analysis play a role in Forex trading? Forex traders monitor economic indicators like GDP, inflation, employment data, and trade balances. These insights impact a country's currency value. Central banks set interest rates, influencing currency value. Traders analyze policy changes for potential shifts in supply and demand. Political stability and geopolitical events sway investor sentiment, impacting currency value in the Forex market. Fundamental analysis helps gauge market sentiment, guiding traders in times of confidence or risk aversion. Currencies of major commodity exporters are affected by changes in prices. For example, oil price shifts influence oil exporting countries' currencies. Incorporating fundamental analysis into Forex trading yields a deeper understanding of currency markets and the forces shaping them. So whether you're analyzing stocks, trading Forex, or considering other financial assets, fundamental analysis equips you with the insights needed to navigate the complex world of investments.